What is up guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you the comparison between Supabase and Neon. So first off, Supabase is an all-in-one backend as a service. Think of it like a Firebase, but open source and built on top of PostgreSQL. You get a full suite database, authentication, file storage, real-time capabilities, and serverless functions. Whereas Neon, on the other hand, is a PostgreSQL database platform built from the ground up for the cloud. It separates compute and storage, meaning it's designed to scale effortlessly and supporting modern workflows like branching and serverless applications. Now, let's talk about some core differences between both of these. Supabase offers a PostgreSQL database just like Neon and adds a layer on top like authentication, storage, edge functions, and API generations. Whereas Neon focuses purely on being the best Postgres in the cloud, features like serverless Postgres, auto scaling, and branching, and it is great for testing without breaking production. No authentication, no storage, no API, it's just a database done extremely well. So if Supabase is like a full toolbox, Neon is the ultimate screwdriver for Postgres. So now let's talk about when you should use which one. So use Supabase if you want a full backend out of the box. You are building MVPs, dashboards, or client-heavy apps. You want to skip backend, boilerplate, and launch faster. And use Neon if you only need a high-performance scalable database, you already have a backend, or want to use other services like Drizzle, ORM, Prisma, or Vercel. You care about modern workflows like branching and serverless first design. So, in short, Supabase is like a plug and play backend, and Neon is like the next gen Postgres. So, that was all for this video, everyone. Do like and drop a comment. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching.